Hey pupils, hello educators, welcome to EduTech, where we explore technology shaping the future of learning. Today's lesson begins with the letter E, for Education Reimagined. Because education today doesn't just happen in the classrooms anymore, it happens on laptops, tablets, phones, and across digital platforms connecting learners around the world. So, the big question is, what exactly is EduTech? Education technology, or simply EduTech, refers to the digital tools, systems, and platforms used to support teaching, learning, and knowledge sharing. But it's not just about software, it's about how technology transforms the learning experience. Let's think about how students used to study. Textbooks, paper notebooks, classroom lectures. And now, learning can include interactive simulations, video-based lessons, online collaboration, and digital study systems. Platforms like Evernote allow pupils to organize research, store lecture notes, and build digital knowledge libraries that travel anywhere. And instead of static worksheets, educators can now design interactive lessons using tools like deck toys that turn learning into a guided digital journey.
You know, when we talk about education technology, it's easy to think about where things are going. But sometimes the best way to understand the future of learning is to look at where we started. For me, one of those starting points was Evernote, back when I was a freshman in college, many moons ago. This was one of the first tools I used to organize my thoughts, capture notes, and keep everything in one place. It felt simple, but powerful, like I had my entire academic life in my pocket. And speaking of many moons ago, there was another tool I used all the time, Wunderlist, a clean, simple way to manage tasks, assignments, and everything I needed to get done. But here's where technology gets interesting. Wunderlist didn't disappear, it evolved. Today, that same experience lives on through Microsoft To Do, reimagined, rebuilt, and integrated into a broader ecosystem. And that's a core idea behind EduTech. Tools don't get replaced, they get reinvented. Now, fast forward to today's classrooms. Learning isn't just about taking notes or tracking tasks, it's about interaction. Platforms like deck tools turn lessons into guided experiences where pupils move through activities, challenges, and checkpoints in a structured, engaging way. And tools like Nearpod take it even further. Educators can deliver lessons in real time, embed quizzes, and monitor understanding as it happens. Learning becomes live, interactive, and dynamic. So, whether it's organizing your notes, managing your tasks, or engaging in interactive lessons, education technology is all around you. And now that you understand the fundamentals, it's your turn to explore the tools shaping the future of learning.
EduTech isn't just digitizing education, it's expanding access to knowledge. EduTech transforms learning in three major ways. First, access. Students can learn anytime and anywhere. Second, engagement. Interactive platforms make learning more dynamic. And third, organization. Digital tools help learners manage information more effectively. Tomorrow's lesson moves from the concept of EduTech to the learners themselves. Because on Tuesday, the letter D stands for digital learning and the tools modern pupils use to study smarter. Until then, I'm Raheem Kareem, and class is dismissed. Hey!